Hello, everyone. It's Pat with our Oracle card reading and message for this first full week of April 2018. Happy Easter going out to all of you who celebrate. I hope you're having a lovely day wherever you are and however you choose to celebrate. So, for our reading this week, as always, I've picked from our Archangel Oracle card deck. All right. And I did pick some of these cards ahead of time so that we could move through the messages a little bit more in a more timely manner instead of having to split it up between part one and part two. I guess I've got a little bit too chatty in the past couple of videos. Excuse me. So the Archangel who's working with us this week is everyone, it's Pat with our Oracle card reading and message for this first full week of April 2018. Happy Easter to you if you celebrate. I hope you're having a lovely and beautiful day. I know we've got a gorgeous spring-like day here where I am. Beautiful sunshine. So it's a great day to get outdoors. All right, so I went ahead and picked some cards already for the reading so I can move it along a little bit more rather than having to split it up into parts one and two. I guess I got a little bit too chatty in those other videos. But anyways, so the Archangel who's working with us this week is Archangel Raziel, with this name, the message of take back your power. And it says, use your God-given power and intention to manifest blessings in your life. This is a card with a message that's sort of similar to some of the messages that we got last week about using and trusting your own inner authority. Okay, this card shows up sometimes when, there may be some situations for you this week that maybe you're just very frustrated by. You feel like they're maybe yanking you around all over the place. You're, going here, going there, or either with another person or an organization, maybe an employer or something like that, where it may be a situation that just feels like it's out of your control. Okay, and it's making you crazy, frustrated, what have you. Okay, so Raziel's message, not Raphael, is to take your power back. This is about kind of putting your foot down and deciding with your own authority and intention what you're willing and not willing to put up with, in a short phrase. This can show up in various ways. It's maybe about you setting some boundaries with people, and situation where maybe you're feeling taken advantage of. It could be just, show up in the form of you taking action on something. Okay, so in any case, when we give our power away, we're allowing our fear, our anger, there's usually a lot of emotion around it, and it's because we've given our power to some outside authority. And this says, take it back, trust your own inner authority, and act upon that. Okay. It doesn't necessarily always mean, taking matters completely into your own hands. It doesn't negate, the use of other people. It just really signifies a change in your energy where you're not letting somebody have control that's adversely affecting your life. And you're, taking matters into your own hands, pulling yourself up by the bootstraps. It's about being empowered, okay? And remembering in any and all situations, you do have power, okay? Raziel's a great spiritual teacher, and he has this beautiful rainbow color to his energy, and you can see it right there in the background. And so when you call on him, he's like a teacher, and the ideas and feelings that you may get from him are about feeling inspired, and sometimes inspired to take action and take responsibility. And he is very wise, I guess, and he looks like that. He looks like kind of like the wise old wizard. So anyways, for our week, I pulled some cards from Raphael's deck because I know for me that the archangels that we got last week, Haniel and Gabriel. Haniel had the message of sensitivity, and I mentioned that it might be like it felt like it was going to be an emotional week, and I can honestly say for myself it truly was. So this week I felt called to Raphael's deck again to for messages of healing. Okay, so. And I pulled one from the this Angel Answers Oracle card deck to see what they had to say. So the beginning of our week is punctuated by some laughter to alleviate the stress. All right. Whatever's going on for you, I know, like I said, this was a very emotional week. I lost, a friend, an acquaintance, and so there's a lot of, emotional energy that's around, feeling emotional, and sometimes. If you're feeling down, if you're feeling the energy is heavy for you, if you're feeling whatever it is that has, been taking your power away, is bothering you, sometimes the best way to heal that and to lighten things up is through laughter. So the beginning of the week there's an infusion of fun, laughter, just... It doesn't mean that there isn't a difficult situation. It just means that there are times when it's punctuated by laughter to lighten things up and help you to cope and deal with whatever it is that you have to deal with. Okay, and it's also just a message. Find something that helps to make you laugh. Watch a funny movie. Turn on a TV series that watch the reruns that make you laugh. So it's about working with laughter to heal your spirit. Okay. So the beginning of the week, there's a lot of that around. It's laughter that's dissipating some of the heavy stress that may be around for you. Okay. Or maybe it's just, hanging out with friends, telling jokes too. But the beginning of the week is very light. The middle of the week, we have, again, this sunlight card. And I think this came out to us last week as well. So it's about, this, I know here in the Northern Hemisphere, up here in the Northeast, we're kind of out of the majority of the wintry mix. At least that's what we're hoping. Not that it's entirely gone away, but the lighter day, the lights here a lot longer, and the sunny, beautiful days are increasing. So we're really thrilled about that, and that's what it's about. It's middle of the week. We have people getting back out and enjoying the sunshine. I know we're doing that this weekend because it's such a beautiful day out here. But it's also about getting back to the fresh vegetables from your garden, your farms that have been out in the sunlight, and the importance of that for increasing your energy. Both of these cards are messages that have to do with lightening up, okay? Literally, figuratively. Angels are always, they often give us messages guiding us to things that help to increase our energy, because the more we can do that, the more engaged and present we can be and focused that we can be in the world, in our lives, okay? So the better that we can function. So, enjoying the sunshine here, middle of the week, and lightening up, okay? Now, for the end of the week, I pulled one of these angel answer cards. I don't know why, I just went for that one, okay? And it's this, the interesting thing about this deck is it has sort of answers that give you a timeline on things. And what came up for the end of the week was this one, a year from now. Sorry, the sunlight's hitting this in a weird way. So I feel like for some people, it may be that as the week comes to a close, you're looking out about a year from now, making some plans for things. Maybe a big vacation that you've always wanted to take. But you're looking out about a year ahead. To see what you're going to be doing. It also could, it means for a lot of people that some project you're involved in, maybe some schooling, even legal proceedings, something or other is taking place or will finish or come to fruition in about a year from now. All right. Maybe if some of you out there are looking to have a child, or start your family, or get married. You're looking at about a year from now at doing that. Okay. I also feel, as I look at it, that for some of you out there who are wondering, when are things going to change? When is all this craziness, that's going on in the world with the current, government and administration in the United States going to change? And I feel like this is part of a message to answer to that about a year from now. So I feel like it's a heralding a little bit that things are going to be pretty significantly changed, and hopefully for the better, about a year from now. This time next year, things will be looking a lot different. Okay. We'll have made some significant changes that are going to bring some resolution to some things. So anyways, those are our messages coming up for this week. And since it's such a beautiful day, maybe many of us are enjoying the outdoors, I'm going to pull a really quick fairy card in the time that I have left here. So let's see, fairies, what would you like us to know? What would your message for us be for this week? Well, nothing's jumping out. Well, that one maybe feels like it wants to come out. Breaking free. Interesting message. Oh, but it's very tied in with the take your power back. Okay? It's about breaking free of something that you feel has had control over you. Maybe it's breaking free from some addictions, breaking free from an employer even, breaking free from some situation in your life that's had your energy tied up for way too long. Okay? You're breaking free of it. And that is very much in line with taking your power back. So anyways, I leave you with those messages. I hope you have a lovely Easter, or that you're about to have a lovely Easter if you celebrate. And I hope you have a wonderful week. And you're certainly welcome to leave comments down below if you choose. Take care, everyone, and many blessings to you.